To access the SEO tools, click SEO in the left sidebar. This will show you a list of the pages on your website. Let's start with the home page. Here you can review your search result preview. This is how your page will show up on Google or other search engines. There are several key parameters that you can adjust to improve your SEO. First, your SEO title. This is this blue title at the top of the search result preview, and you can adjust this manually. Also, your meta description. This is the second part that shows up. It's this black text. The green text in the middle is your URL. Hostinger AI will provide suggestions for things you can do to improve your SEO title and meta description. You can also adjust your focus keyword for each page, which helps to really target your SEO. The easiest way to make adjustments to your SEO is to go to the top and use the AI SEO Assistant. Click Generate New SEO Info. Next, you'll be presented with a series of questions. These questions will help the AI to optimize your site. First, you need to add a page description. This description was pulled in automatically, and it looks good enough for the homepage, so I'll go ahead and click Next Step. But if you need to make adjustments to tailor it for your page, I recommend doing that. Here you'll need to select the 3 keywords that are the most relevant for your site. Auto-selected, we have tea house and loose leaf teas in my case, and maybe we want to add peaceful space. Then we'll click Next Step. Next, we get to review the search engine appearance. Again, this is how your page will appear when it shows up in search engines. You can adjust the SEO title and meta description down here, and pay attention to how it looks up here. This is your first impression. Personally, I'm happy with these updates, so I'll click Finish. And there we go. This page has now been optimized, and you can tell that it's good to go because it has a green check mark on the left side. I recommend going through and doing this for every page of your website. Now, if there's a page that you don't want to show up in the search results, you can toggle the switch next to Hide Page from Search Results to make sure that people aren't discovering it accidentally.